Good afternoon, Cadillac people. So I wanted to come on here and publicly address a comment that got left on my YouTube channel the other day. Somebody was saying, well, there must be something wrong with the Hearse as to why she's just abandoning the project all of a sudden. Absolutely an untruth. I have been completely transparent with this car. I've shown everybody underneath it, on top of it, inside of it, all the parts that go with it, everything we've done. You guys can refer back on my channels to all the videos of this car. So as I stated the other day, I'm not being rude when I say this, but it is personal and emotional reasons, and I'm not going into it any further than that. But there's absolutely nothing wrong with the car. As I tell all buyers with any of my cars that are for sale, any potential buyer, I say if there's a picture that I missed or a video you want, just ask and you got it. So I don't think I could be any more open and honest than that with the sales of my cars. So that comment was just a little kind of So I just wanted to come on here and address that publicly in front of all you guys. There is a huge part of me right now that is very sad about the Hearse, not completing it, things like that. But it's just a choice that I feel I need to make right now. And like I said, I'm just going to leave it at that. I don't think that I need to go over personal reasons in front of, the whole world on YouTube for the whole world to see. So anyway, that's the reason on that. I am talking to quite a few potential buyers on this car. So it's just about trying to find it a good home at this point and finding the right person who's going to finish out the project. As I've stated, I have every part and piece for this car. We've done a lot of work to it so far, just spent a lot of money on the disc brake conversion. So anyway, somebody's going to get a really, really fine 60 Hearse. So, okay guys, I hope you're having a fantastic Saturday afternoon. See you guys in the next Cadillac adventure. Take care.